Alright guys, it's time to get started. This dinosaur is one of my favorites. Well, I don't know how long I've been planning to draw this guy. Tonight we're going to draw Corythosaurus. This species has been around for, well, I don't know how long, but it was around ever since the Cretaceous. Here we are. Here we are. There we go. One thing about Corythosaurus is that it's got this crest on its forehead. This large crest, it's like other dinosaurs like Parasaurolophus and other hadrosaurs like Lambeosaurus. There he is, guys. Didn't take too long to draw this guy. There we go. Done. There he is.